Hey, it's Anthony from S2000. Look what we got here today. We got something special in this box. Just came from a dude in a Sprinter van all the way from NorCal to sunny SoCal here. It's like 85 degrees today. It's like freaking summer status. So yeah, let's take a look. I'm gonna open it now. So this is I opened this earlier just to make sure there's an engine there before we gave this guy $4 grand. As you can see, it's pretty sweet. Brand new OEM AP2 Shortblock. Like, they don't even make these anymore as of a few months ago, because we actually called and Honda make these. So this is definitely a treat. Like, look at these. Look at that cylinder wall. It's like perfect. Perfect. Still has that like assembly lube or whatever they use. It's beautiful. So it's just a small update with some parts that we got. Pretty exciting. I'm excited. Like, nothing can beat OEM factory components. Nothing. Like, people will be like, oh yeah, you can totally build a block or build a block for the same price, but it won't be as reliable. So this is 100% from Honda. Just perfect. Yep. Alright. Thanks, guys.